What up guys, the Crypto Homie back at you with another video. This video is all about Uniswap. We're going to go over the sentiment of the UNI token, analyze the charts of UNI, and make sure you stick to the end to see what Bitcoin does every 4 years. And homies, it's not what you think. But before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So diving right into the current market conditions. As you guys can see, Bitcoin's holding. It's like, Bitcoin, just stay there, buddy. Just stay there. Keep making those days above 10,000. Because now, if I remember correctly, we're about day 70 or 71. We're keep making record after record after record. That's what I like to see, my homies. And everything's lying flat, slightly up, slightly down. But, we're all about checking out this UNI token. So heading over to the charts. Whoa. Guys, yesterday, my video, if you guys didn't see the video from yesterday, go check it out. But, I said we don't want to drop below this this support right here at around $3.20. And homies, look what happened. Let's pull up the 4 hour. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. We broke it, and we broke it hard. See that wick right there? It's showing you guys there was a lot of selling pressure, and we don't have any buying pressure coming in. There's barely any wicks to the downside. This is not looking good, at least for this 4 hour candle right now, which closes in 2 hours and 24 minutes. It's slightly green. I don't know, guys. Are we going to bottom out here? But on the video from yesterday, there was a lot of comments about the sentiment of UNI, and I think that goes to show that right now it's a great time to buy. In my opinion, not financial advice, my homies. You got to always put on your big boy, your big girl pants, and make those investing decisions. But looking at this chart, I mean, we may have bottomed on the daily. There's definitely a nice wick right there, showing some upward pressure. But obviously, the day still has 10 hours and 23 minutes, so it has some time. But going over to the comments from yesterday's video, guys, we have UNI is a scam. Stay away from UNI. It says, saw it plunging and took all my money out. It's heading to $1. Guys, this reminds me of people that bought OMG at like $8, people that bought OXT at like 80 cents. It sounds like these people probably bought in UNI at like $5 to $7, and now they're like freaking out because they see it's going down. I mean, what did you guys expect? 400 free UNI tokens were given to anybody that wanted to claim them that used the platform before September 1st. So I don't know what to say, guys. This kind of was anticipated that there's going to be a massive sell-off simply because eventually, that's so many free tokens, my homies, so many free tokens. People want to cash in those gains, cash in the profits. Like we scroll down, I guess we are about to lose our money to Uniswap. Is it a scam? Is it a scam? I don't know. It might be a scam, but guys, just keep in mind, when everybody's bearish like this is a contrarian indicator that it's a time to buy. Everybody's super bearish. We got stay away. Then we have, at least we have some, we got some hope here. Within the year, it is said that version 3 should be released, and then the price will go up, not to the moon. Guys, he's being realistic. We're not going to the moon, but we're going to the stars. Okay, so you know what? Thank you, my homie. We will take the stars. Stars is pretty close to the moon, if you know what I mean. So, okay, we got one good one. Oh, it looks like we got a scam comment. Another spam thing as we scroll down. Yeah, XRP, here we come on a Uniswap video. Hey, hold that XRP. But it says, they can't even spell Uniswap right. Well, and I can't even say it. We'll never go back to $4. Sell now before it hits 0.05 cents. Guys, they're calling 5-cent UNI. I don't know about you, that's a great time to buy. It's pure garbage, guys. It goes on and on that it's just not, lost half my portfolio in UNI. You don't actually lose until you sell, my homie. So if you didn't sell, you didn't lose. But, going back to the charts, guys, the comments, they're looking very, very, very bearish, okay? And that is a contrarian indicator. That is saying that actually right now is a good time to buy because the average Joe is right now selling their UNI at a loss. I mean, and that kind of makes sense here. We have some buying pressure right here because the people that are actually hey, this is a good time to buy when, they're looking long term. When version 3 does come out, this thing's going to have massive, massive gains. I mean, hey, this is selling pressure from all those people getting 400 free UNI. And hey guys, if you guys disagree, please kindly disagree down in the comments below. But I personally believe with the whole BitMEX thing, the whole lockdown of saying, hey, the government's going to come in and shut down things if you're not complying with the AML and anti-money laundering and KYC, know your customer, which obviously Uniswap does not do. And the problem is you're saying, well, homie, Uniswap's decentralized, they can't shut it down. Well, there's people in charge of it that develop it. There's people that keep it up to date. They can go after those people. And if they're no longer to keep it up to date, keep improvements, then guess what? It's not really decentralized, and it's not going to be improved, so people will stop using it. So there is a weakness to Uniswap, and the governments will go after it if they see fit. So that's the scary part right now, especially how aggressive they went after BitMEX. So if you guys don't know what's going on with BitMEX, there's a video on my channel about it. You guys should go check that out. But yeah, I mean, like we shall see. Are they going to go after these decentralized exchanges? Is DeFi in trouble? I mean, that's a lot of uncertainty right now, and we don't know what's going to happen. But only time will tell. But let's just look at the weekly real quick on the Uni. There's not that many weeks, obviously, but I mean, you know, we got to get above it. We got to get above here, guys, because we just made a low, you know, around what's that, like 280 ish. So hopefully that's low, like the lowest we go. And honestly, it seems like a great time to buy. I always say, guys, I always say I dollar cost average. I don't just dump a lot of money into one thing. You dollar cost average. So if you've been dollar cost averaging right now, maybe a time to put a little extra in, maybe, you know, not personal, not financial advice, but I mean, it's pretty low. It may go down to $1, as some people said in the comments, but who knows? But guys, something on the bright side, you know, Hayden Adams, you know, he's the inventor of one of the inventors of Uniswap. He said, there are so many projects and integrations in the Uniswap ecosystem we're unable to keep up. Guys, such as Unitrade, you know, adding limit orders on top of the Uniswap platform. He says, there's so many, they're unable to keep up. He said, we're hoping the community can help us put together, as I guess he means, a comprehensive list as soon as possible. He says, tell us about your Uniswap integration, smiley face. Guys, so this right here is something very, very bullish from September 28th, if I'm not mistaken. Guys, people are building stuff on top of the Uniswap platform, and they can't even keep up with all the like things that are being built on top of it, all the integrations of Uniswap. I don't know about you, that's pretty bullish in my opinion. And on top of that, they're working on V3 behind the scenes, not giving us all the details. So what do you guys think about that? Are you bearish on Uni, or right now are you bullish on Uni? Because right now it seems like the sentiment is very, very bearish, and that's a contrarian indicator and could indicate that it's time to buy. But hey, only time will tell. You know, like we could see what it's gonna be like in 3 months, 4 months. Who knows? It could be at all-time highs, guys. The crypto market's wild. Like this journey is a wild, wild journey, and it's wild, wild west in the crypto space. So you just don't know what's gonna happen. So what do you guys think about that? But on to the last bit of news today, guys. We got what about Bitcoin? It does every 4 years, okay? Found this article. It says, Bloomberg, Bitcoin has a tendency of adding zeros to its prices. Zeros. I don't know. I like adding zeros, you know. Adding zeros is nice. It says, in his latest newsletter, Bloomberg observes that Bitcoin has had a tendency of adding zeros to its price, noting that the asset previously went from 1,000 to 10,000 in less than 4 years. Maturation may have slowed this trend somewhat, but Bloomberg does not appear to believe it has reached a full stop. They noted that such a rise could occur again, though it may not be for some time. If the crypto echoes its past gains with some maturation, about to double the time period it took to add a zero to 1,000, could get its price to $100,000 in 2025. Are you guys willing to wait till 2025 for $100,000 Bitcoin? I don't know about you. I know I am. But going down though, they bring up a good point. So though this prediction might be bold on the surface, it is rather conservative compared to other forecasts we've seen in recent months. A crypto analyst known as Plan B, which we've mentioned on this channel, has recently stated that Bitcoin is still moving in accordance with the stock-to-flow model, which forecasts a $100,000 Bitcoin price by late 2020. I don't know about you guys, the $100,000 Bitcoin by 2025 is definitely conservative. So hey, but I'm still cool with that. But Plan B, I like the Plan B model. It's worked out so far. We shall see if it's actually going to work out. It'd be really cool to see. And just finishing up right here, it says, in addition to historical trends, Bloomberg suggests that fundamental supply and demand factors supports Bitcoin rise. It points out that about 90% of the total supply has been mined. While institutional demand continues to gear with Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. Do you guys own some in your 401k or IRA? Approaching Bitcoin equivalent to holdings of 500,000. Yeah, Grayscale is owning a lot of Bitcoin, guys. It's actually kind of scary. I think they're getting too much, my homies. They're getting too much. And then it just says Bloomberg's short-term prognosis is that Bitcoin should revisit 2019 highs of $14,000 by the end of the year. Guys, by the end of the year, my homies, That's what's up. But we have to go over here to the good old Bitcoin chart. And what happens when we break 14K, guys? What happens? We zoom out. What do you guys see what happens? We break 14K. That's the last major resistance. So we hold 14K as support. I almost said resort, like support. Well, guys, there's not much resistance above here. 20K, here we come. 100K. I don't know, Plan B may be right, maybe right. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about the UNI token, the Bitcoin price, the whole Bloomberg expectations, the Plan B models, all that lovely stuff? Let me know down in the comments below. And homies, if you guys stuck through this long, thank you so much for watching these videos. Smash that like button, subscribe for more content. And as always, this is just friendly entertainment and education, not financial advice. The Crypto Homie signing out. I'll catch you guys all in the next one.